Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. In the previous videos we discussed about theoretical distributions. The two videos I done. The one is a 1 mark and the second video the 2 marks. Here in this video we are discussing about the theoretical distributions 5 marks questions. 5 marks binomial, Poisson and hypergeometric distribution. This year it carries a 3 5 marks questions. 3 as a 5 marks questions, 2 is in section C and 1 is section E. Okay, this I already discussed in the first video. Today this is a passing package of the students. This is by board only it is. The theoretical distribution, the most of the questions, how it comes, the binomial distribution we are discussing. The binomial distribution, just you observe, I read the question and I will show you how to calculate this one. The binomial distribution, you already know the binomial distribution. What is a PMF, what are the parameters, what is range, what is the mean, variance, standard deviation. Okay, then here the theoretical distribution, binomial distribution, just you observe the questions, 5 marks questions, this one. In a college 70% of the students are boys. In a random sample of 5 students, find the probability of getting the 4 boys and at the most 2 boys. Okay, in a college 70% students, just you observe, here the 2 values they are giving, the parameters. What are the parameters of a binomial distribution? That is n and p are the parameters. N is given as a sample of 5 students, that is n, and this one 70% is a p value, that is a probability value, p value 70%. Then here in the solution part, the number of boys is selected. Okay, n is equals to 5 and p is equals to 70 divided by 100. 70 divided by 100, that is a 0.7. Then q is equals to 1 minus p. 1 minus p, that is 0.3. Okay, then if have to the x is tends to a binomial of n and p. What is a PMF? PMF is a P of x is equals to n c x into p to the power x and q to the power n minus x is a PMF of a binomial distribution, and x is equals to, here it is given as n is equals to 5, that's why you have to take it as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 c x 0.7 to the power x and 0.3 to the power 5 minus x. Okay, what is the question? Question is 4 boys. 4 boys. Okay. Then x is equals to a 4. 5c4, 0.7 to the power where x is there. You have to substitute the x is equals to a 4 value. Exactly 4 boys is given in the question. That's why we considered as a x is equals to a 4. 0.7 to the power 4, that is a p to the power x, and q to the power n minus x, that is a 5 minus 4. Okay, then 5c4. 5c4 you have to calculate by either by formula or by binomial coefficients from statistical table. You have to 5c4 is a 5 value. How to calculate? Just I will show you. Here, what is given? Then n is equals to a 5 and p is equals to 70%, that is 70 divided by 100, that is 0.7, and q is equals to 1 minus p, that is equals to a 1 minus 0.7, that is equals to 0.3. This is given in the question. Okay, then you have to write it, x tends to a binomial of n and p, that is a 5, 0.7. Then you have to must and should you have to write the PMF of a binomial distribution. N ಮತ್ತು p ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಅವರು n and p is the parameter. N and p is given means you have to just you observe, you have to identify it is a binomial distribution only. It is a binomial distribution. Then p of x is equals to ncx p to the power x and q to the power n minus x, where n, what is n? 5. 5cx 0.7 to the power x and 0.3 to the power 5 minus x. Okay. Then after writing this PMF, you have to take a question. Probability of x is equals to a 4. This 4 boys is given. That's why 5c4 0.7 to the power 4 and 0.3 to the power 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. Okay. 5c4 is, if you have to calculate NCR formula, that is a n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial. Means 5c4 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1 it comes. N minus r means that is a 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is here 5 into 4 into 3, just I will show you, 2 into 1. Okay, 5c4 4 factorial, r is 4 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and n minus 4 5 minus 4 is, that is a 1 factorial. This up to this and this cancels, and 5 factorial 5 is remaining here. 5 is remaining. 4 up to 4 to 1 and 4 to 1 is cancels. Then you have to write it as a 5 here. 5 C4 is 5. Or otherwise from textbook it is given as a binomial coefficients. Binomial coefficients you have to take it from the table. So statistical table we will supply in the examination, in your final examination. In that it is there. Just I will show you. Okay, here the binomial coefficients. The binomial coefficients NC4 5C4 5 and this C4 is 5 value. Okay, you can take it directly. Then 5 into 0.7 to the power 4 and 0.3 to the power 5 minus 4, that is a 1. Okay. Then 0.7 you have to multiply with the 4 times, and 0.3 you have to multiply with the 5 minus 4 means 1 into a 0.3. Then you are getting as answer is 0.36015. Okay. The one more question is, at the most 2 boys. At the most 2 boys means the answer, directly answer I am writing here to 0.2401 into 0.3, that is equals to 0.36015. Okay. Second question, at the most 2 boy, probability of x is less than or equal to 2. Okay, students, just you observe, at least means greater than or equal to. At most means less than or equal to. This you have to keep remember this one. At least means greater than or equal to. At most means less than or equal to. Then here x is less than or equal to 2. Then what is x is less than or equal to 2? Less than or equal to 2 means probability of 0, probability of 1 and probability of 2. According to x is 0 you have to substitute, 1 you have to substitute, and 2 you have to substitute, and you have to calculate. You have to calculate all these things and you are getting an answer. Okay, this carries a full 5 marks. One is what you are writing a PMF, and this one the parameters you are writing and the range you are writing, it carries a 1 mark, and this carries a 2 marks, and this carries a 2 marks over here. This carries the whole 5 marks. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಸಾನ್ ಹೈಪರ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ 3 ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಬರ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐದರ್ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಪೋಸಾನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಹೈಪರ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪೋಸಾನ್ ಹೈಪರ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್. The probability that a bomb hits the target is 1/4. 5 bombs are aimed at a target. Find the probability that 3 bombs hit the target. At the most, 2 bombs hit the target. Okay. Then x is equal to number of bombs hitting the target. Here the probability that a bomb hits the target is 1/4 is given. Okay. Find the probability that this one. How many bombs? 5 bombs are aimed at at the target. 5 bombs is n is equals to 5 and p is equals to 1/4, that is 0.25, and q is equals to 0.75. Then x tends to binomial of 5, 0.25. Then you are substituting it in the PMF. Probability mass function 5c x 0.25 to the power x and 0.75 to the power 5 minus x. Then x is up to 5. 3 bombs hit. Okay, hit the targets. X is equals to 3. Just you are substituting x is equals to 3 and you are calculating. Okay, at the most 2 bombs means is also x is less than or equal to 2, and that is a probability of 0, probability of 1 and probability of 2. You are calculating, then you are getting as a answer. This is a binomial distribution. Then one more question, the binomial distribution only. 40% of the buttons manufactured by a firm are found to be defective. In a random sample of 6 buttons, find the probability of getting first one exactly 4 defective buttons and more than 1 defective buttons. Okay, here the defective problem is there, but the p is given and n is given. That's why we have to consider this one as a binomial distribution. Then n is equals to a 6 and p is equals to a 0.4 and q is equals to 0.6. Q is equals to 1 minus p, that is a q is equals to 0.6. Then according to this exactly 4 defective, then x is equals to a 4. The question is x is equals to 4, you have to take it 6c4, 0.4 to the power 4 and 0.6 to the power 6 minus 4. Then you are getting answer this one. Then probability of more than 1 defective. More than 1 defective means x is more than 1. Il nodrile, you have to be careful. More than or equal to andilla avaru, more than 1 defective. That's why you are taking as only a more than 1. Then you have to take it as ಈಗ more than 1 ಅಂದಾಗ how many n is equals to 6. 1 2 3 not 1 2 3 4 5 6 you have to take it. Or otherwise 1 minus probability of x is less than or equal to 1 is also okay. 1 is also okay. Just I will show you here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4 plus probability of 5 and 6. ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲಿ this answer same it is 1 minus probability of x is less than or equal to 1. Then 1 is less than or equal to is there. Here equal to is not there. That's why here it comes as equal to 1. Probability of 0 plus probability of 1. Then you have to take it this one and you have to calculate this one. Then you are getting answer is this one 0. You have to be careful when you calculating this one. Sometimes you forget to take a 1 minus of that value. Don't forget that one. 1 minus of that value. You are getting answer is this one. N and P or kottara antandra that is a binomial distribution only. Maximum 90% ನಿಮಗೆ binomial ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 90%. In a college 35% students are girls. Find the probability that 2 are girls. Second one is at least one is a girl in a random sample of 5 students. Okay. The number of girls selected, that is n is equals to 5 and p is equals to 0.35. Then q is equals to 1 minus p, that is 0.65. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 35% ನಾವು ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಪಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ದಟ್ 2 ಆರ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಾರ. 5 n is equals to 5. Then you are substituting. First you are writing a PMF compulsory. You are getting a 1 mark over here. Then 2 are girls. Probability of x is equals to 2. Then you are getting answer and you have to calculate and you are getting a answer. That carries a 2 marks over here. One question carries a 2 marks. And the one more question, at least one girl. At least one girls means, I already told you, at least means the greater than or equal to. At least. At most is less than or equals to. At most is less than or equal to. Then you have to take it as at least it is greater than or equals to a one girl, that is greater than or equal to 1. 1 means mat again you have to take it as a 2, 3, 4, 5. Or otherwise 1 minus probability of x is less than 1. Not equal. Equal il bartada. That's why you have to take it as less than 1 only. That comes as a probability of 0. Then you are substituting x as 0. The value comes, the answer comes here. And the answer is this one. This carries as a 2 marks. Total it is a 5 marks. Total it is 5 marks question. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್. In a certain school, 40% of the students have opted for a first language Kannada. Assuming 20 teachers take a sample of 4 students each, how many teachers will report that 2 or 3 students have opted for a first language Kannada? Then here it is n is equals to 4 students. 4 students are selected. 40% ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಮಗೆ probability value, p value ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ 0.4, that is a p is equals to 0.4 and q is equals to 1 minus p, that is a 0.6. What is n? This is, if have to take it as a n is equals to 20 teachers are there. 20 teachers means capital N is equals to 20. You have to write it. Then you are substitute, you are writing a PMF and you are substituting 2 or 3 Kannada students. 2 or 3. 2 or 3 means you have to take it as a plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3. You have to calculate. After calculating this answer, you are multiplying with the capital N, that is a 20. That comes as a 10 teachers. Answer is 10 teachers. Okay. All of you got it? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ ಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಈಗ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪೋಸಾನ್, ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್, ಹೈಪರ್ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ನಾಗ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ವಾಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ you only identify how to calculate, what you have to apply, which distribution you have to take it. Okay. Then the one more question. This is a very important question. 5 unbiased coins are tossed 128 times. Calculate the expected frequencies for a number of heads obtained. Number of heads obtained. The number of heads obtained is n is equals to 5 and p is equals to 0.5 and q is equals to 0.5 because it is a coin problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 5 unbiased ಅಂದಾರ, n is equals to 5 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯೂ ನೀವ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಪಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂ is half. Okay, you are taking, and this is 128 is a capital N. But if you have to calculate the expected frequencies over here, expected frequencies ಅಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ದ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. P of 0 first you are substituting according to what is given. Okay, 5c 0, 0.5 to the power 0, 0.5 to the power 5 minus 0, that comes answer you are writing as usual. But T0 is equals to capital N into P of 0. P of 0. That is equals to 120. Just I will show you how to calculate this example. N is equals to 5 and capital N is equals to 128 times. It is given in the question. Then P you have to take it because it is a coin problem. That's why you have to take it as a 0.5 and Q is equals to a 0.5. Then you are writing a PMF, P of X is equals to NC X, P to the power X and Q to the power N minus X. That is equals to 5C X, 0.5 to the power X and 0.5 to the power 5 minus X. Then the first one you are as usual you are considering, but the frequency function you have to take it here. The frequency function Tx is equals to capital N into P of X. The one we are considering because here N is equals to 5 where range is X is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why one you have to consider, that is a T0, that is equals to capital N. Capital N is a 128 into 5C0, 0.5 to the power 0 and 0.5 to the power 5 minus 0. Okay. Then 128 into 5C0 is 1. This is also 1. This is 0.5 to the power 5 times. You have to multiply 5 times. When you are multiplying, you are getting answer is this one. .03125. 0.03125. When you are multiplying with this 128, you are getting as answer as 4. T0 is 4. T0 is a 4. Then you have to calculate T1, T2, T3. For calculating this one, the one by using a recurrence formula. Tx is equals to n plus 1 minus x divided by x into p by q into tx minus 1. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು n ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ತಗೊಂಡಾರ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. n ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಈಗ t1 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾವು t1 is equals to 5 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1, 0.5 divided by 0.5, t1 minus 1, that is a t0. T1 is equals to 5 plus 1, that is a 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 into, this is 1 into, T0 answer is T0 answer is already calculated, that is a 4. 5 into 4, that is a 20 is the answer. T1 you are getting as a 20 as a answer. Then T2. T2 is equals to same 5 plus 1 minus 2 divided by 2 into P by Q means 0.5 divided by 0.5 into T1, that is a 20. The previous answer you have to take it. 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 2 that is 4. 4 by 2, that is a 2. 2 into, this is 1 into 20, that is equals to 40. You are getting as a T2 is equals to 40. The same way T3 is equals to 40, T4 is equals to 20, again T5 is equals to 4. Just after adding this one, 4 plus 20 plus 40 plus 20 plus 20 plus 4. Then you are adding this one. You are getting a value that is 128. 128 times. 128 times. Then you are getting as a 128 times. This is also a 5 marks question, but it is a very easy to calculate. Okay, the last example. 6 fair coins are tossed 128 times. Find the theoretical frequencies for the number of tails obtained. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ the previous example we calculated as n is equals to 5, but here the n is equals to 6. Then P and Q value 128 is there. The same you have to calculate how we calculated there. Okay, this is a binomial distribution, 5 marks sums. They may ask like that. This is very easy. N and P they are giving, you have to calculate. And the one more type is this E type ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸತಿ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ. Just you do it must and should. You practice these sums. You will get easily a 5 marks. Okay, this completes the binomial distribution. Okay, in the next video I will do it as a Poisson distribution and hypergeometric distribution. Okay students, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment the video. ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಕಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಹಾಕಿ ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.